lays out, it's distributed via daily mining and acts as the primary medium of exchange for all application activities. But it's not just for digital apps. It's used for ambassador reward matrices, network transaction fees, and this is huge, direct Univex Visa card retail settlements. That last part is a massive deal. Bridging crypto to fiat retail is basically the holy grail for utility tokens. It means you could literally pay for your morning coffee using the exact same network that powers decentralized applications, with everything seamlessly settling in the background. It yanks the token out of pure speculation and drops it directly into the real-world economy. In stark contrast, the governance token steps totally away from daily retail settlements. You are definitely not swiping a Visa card with these. Instead, it acts entirely as that steering wheel. It's mainly used for protocol voting and proposing core updates. Crucially, though, it is also used for locking in smart validator pools to secure network consensus. Now, just for clarity, a smart validator pool is essentially a system where token holders lock up their assets to vouch for the integrity of the network's data. By doing this, they're putting their own skin in the game, their own economic value on the line to guarantee that transactions are legit. The security and the whole future evolution of the Univex network literally rest on the shoulders of this specific scarce asset and the validators who lock it. Which brings us to our final part, Section 4, Emission and Allocation Rules, Algorithmic versus Institutional. Let's look under the hood at the engine first. UVX relies on what the white paper calls a linear algorithmic emission model, and it's driven entirely by the community. So what does that actually mean in plain English? It means tokens don't just magically unlock because a calendar page turned. They unlock based directly on real user activity, specifically through user claims, milestone referral activations, and content-driven community points. Imagine a creator brings 100 active users to the platform. The algorithm actually recognizes that tangible growth and emits UVX to reward that specific contribution. It's a purely merit-based inflation model. The more the community interacts and grows the network, the more UVX is emitted. It organically ties inflation to verifiable platform usage, which is honestly pretty brilliant. Now, we juxtapose that highly dynamic, community-driven engine against the governance token's release schedule. The governance token is released strictly under institutional vesting schedules. We're talking predetermined, heavily audited timelines. This includes private developer lock periods, which is a fantastic mechanism for building trust. It basically ensures the team can't just walk away. Their financial incentives are locked up for the long haul, totally aligning their success with the protocol's success. It also introduces long-term staking yield incentives. For serious investors or core community members, these audited timelines are everything, because they provide absolute predictability. There's nothing rapid or unpredictable about it. It is entirely designed to foster long-term stability and prevent sudden shocks to the network's balance of power. So when we pull back and look at this synthesized macro view pulled straight from the white paper, the entire dual token ecosystem maps out perfectly. On one side of the equation, you have UVX, 12 billion tokens dynamically community emitted, built specifically for high-volume retail and massive app utility. On the other side, the Univex token, permanently capped at 1.5 billion, strictly institutionally vested, and built exclusively for staking, security, and governance. Seeing it all synthesized right here really highlights the elegance of contrasting immense utility volume with absolute governance scarcity. To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought based on what we've unpacked today. How will this carefully engineered tension between the high-utility, community-driven UVX engine and the rigidly vested institutional governance steering wheel shape the future of the Univex network? Can the rapid algorithmic growth of a decentralized community perfectly balance the slow, deliberate stability that protocol governance requires? It is a genuinely fascinating structural choice, and it's going to be incredible to watch it unfold. Keep this framework in mind as you explore the network further.